Chris from Canopy Crypto and AI here, and wanted to show you some neat new stuff with Canva. They have got a Chat GPT plugin which connects Canva to Chat GPT 4. Now you have to have the paid version, Chat GPT 4 Plus, and you'll see when you install a plugin, you will see Canva is now an option. And if that doesn't show up for you, you will have to go into settings and make sure you have beta features enabled and plugins enabled. So then you can, at that point, then you can actually add the Canva plugin by going up here and again searching for it through the plugin store. You'll have to go to the plugin store, find Canva, and boom, there it is. I already got it installed, so I don't want to uninstall it. And yeah, so then once you have it installed, you go over to ChatGPT, and you can say, you have to use the word Canva in a sentence. So use Canva to create a neon logo design, and hit enter, and basically it just generates templates for you. It doesn't do specific logos per se. It actually does templates for neon logo. So here you go. The first one, it'll give you like 3, I believe. You got like a neon logo template. 1, 2, and it keeps going. I think it does 3, 4. Okay, you can just stop there. Yeah. So okay, you're like, okay, this is cool. Maybe maybe this one looks good. So I'm gonna just click on the link, and it opens up in Canva, and it's like, boom, here's my neon logo, and then you can edit it with you know, whatever you want here. So it's quite a cool thing. You can edit, you know, your brand name. You get the idea. So yeah, that's Canva integrated with ChatGPT. Again, it's got to be the paid version, but you can do logos, you can do any kind of Canva branding, thumbnail, YouTube thumbnails. The sky's the limit, and so this just allows you to work within ChatGPT, get a couple of ideas, and then just jump into Canva and get started. So yeah, check the link for more details on that, and in the description, and then I hope you like that. And do use it, because you do need the paid version. That's the only caveat. You can't have the free version of ChatGPT.